Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on call recording on iPhone in iOS 18. First of all, you have to make sure that you must be updated to the latest iOS 18 version. If you do not have iOS 18 on your iPhone, then unfortunately you cannot enable call recording option. So once you're confirmed that you're on the latest iOS 18 version, all you have to do is open your Settings app on your iPhone. Once the settings have been opened, all you have to do is scroll down just a bit until you see apps. Click on apps, a new page will open where you will see the list of all the applications that are installed on your iPhone. You have to scroll down just a bit until you see an app called Phone. Click on Phone, new page will open. You will see a bunch of options. You have to scroll down just a bit until you see Call Recording. Click on it. From here, you will see a toggle for the call recording. You have to make sure to turn that toggle on. Once you've turned on the toggle, you have successfully enabled call recording on your iPhone in iOS 18. Now you can enjoy recording other calls, but you have to make sure that you have to use this feature responsibly. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.